most important meal of the day. Sometimes we need a lighter breakfast, and smoothies are perfect because they are fully packed with healthy nutrients and vitamins while also tasting refreshing and delicious. Welcome back to Clarissa's Kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you 5 healthy smoothie recipes that you can meal prep for every single day of the week, Monday through Friday. There are endless smoothie combinations, and yet you could still feel flustered on what fruits and veggies to pair up with. That's why I'm going to be showing you today 5 different combinations of smoothie recipes combined with fruits and veggies, giving you a variety of flavor every single day of the week. To blend these smoothies together, you can definitely use a normal blender. In this video, I use the Ninja Bullet. This saves so much time. You can blend everything together in one cup, take it all to go in the same cup, and you're just ready to rock and roll for the day. So if you're also interested in that one too, I did provide a link down below in the description box for you guys to check it out. So if you want to see how I make these 5 healthy smoothie recipes, please continue to follow along the video. And as always, please continue to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell right down below to be alerted for upcoming videos that I post every single week. Now let's get cooking in the kitchen. First up is the Berry Blast Smoothie. This is filled with blueberries, which has antioxidants, it's low in calories, and also very high in nutrients, strawberries, banana, and almond milk. Up next is the Glowing Skin Smoothie. And I added mangoes, which helps our skin glow, avocado, which hydrates the skin, spinach, which is a nutrient-dense superfood removing toxins from our bodies. An alternative is kale, it's definitely interchangeable, banana, and almond milk. However, using coconut water will definitely make the skin more youthful and hydrating. I wish I had coconut water in my fridge, I just didn't have it at the time, but almond milk definitely suffices too. Is the Sunshine Smoothie, and this is one of my favorite smoothies just because it's so refreshing when you wake up and start the day. It's packed with mangoes, banana, pineapple, which boosts immunity and helps the inflammation, orange, and almond milk. For those matcha lovers out there, I definitely had to throw in a matcha green smoothie. I added matcha powder, which has a lot of antioxidants and is detoxing to the body, mangoes, banana, spinach, and almond milk. Feel free to use coconut water as well. Nutty Smoothie, and this is a protein-packed smoothie that you can drink early in the morning, right before a workout or post-workout. It's made with bananas, almond butter, you could use peanut butter too, flax seeds, protein powder, honey, and cinnamon to garnish on top. And chia seeds I did add in the video, but they're definitely optional because after a while, if you don't drink the smoothie right away, it does have a pudding-like consistency. So just kind of giving you a forewarning there, I would definitely top it off as a garnish instead of adding it to the smoothie to blend. Those were 5 healthy smoothie recipes that you can meal plan every single day of the week. Remember that you can also easily meal plan these smoothies by taking the fruit and veggie combinations and taking them into portions into Ziploc bags. You could use a Sharpie to label them, let's say Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, or just the names of the smoothies I had called it in this video. Store it in your freezer and it's ready to go the next morning or right before your workout or post-workout. You could take the smoothie combination in the blender, add the liquid of your choice, whether it's almond milk or coconut water. The great thing is too is that you're gonna have a really nicely chilled smoothie. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook if you haven't done so already. It's tagged at CLARISSASKitchen, and I provided links down below if you want to watch other quick and simple recipes for busy people just like myself. And if you really enjoyed watching this video, please give it a thumbs up. As always, subscribe, hit the notification bell right down below because I do post videos every single week, as I mentioned in the beginning of my video. Leave a comment down below on what of the 5 healthy smoothie recipes was your favorite and that you're going to be giving it a try. I'd love to know, and thank you again for watching. See you guys next time in Clarissa's Kitchen.